Hi, I am Arvind Kumar. Currently, I am working as a business head at Daffodil Consulting Pte Limited. Currently, we are facing a lot of disruptions in the business environment, with technology playing a very dominant role. It is important for me to understand the current trends, and I looked for programs which will offer me good knowledge, and I didn't want to take a career break basically. And Pilani had this program which I believe is not available in many other institutes, which is the FinTech stream. So that was the prime reason for opting for this MBA in FinTech. So this program, though it's a work integrated learning program, but it has got all the academic rigor of a normal MBA program. You need to devote as much time as you can in this program to understand and learn the concepts. There is no pressure from the institute. It's all how much efforts you can put and how much you can learn. So I tried to give as much time as I could after finishing my work every day, attending lectures on the weekends. If I have missed out on a certain lectures, the recordings were always available to check and go through, understand the concepts. My favorite professor was Professor Gaurav Nagpal. Other professor who had a major impact on me was Professor Vamsidhar Ambatipudi. He taught us financial analytics and machine learning and finance. Fine. As a part of my project or dissertation, what you say, in my final semester, I did it on blockchain applications, which was a subject for us in the third semester. As you may be aware that today the advent of 5G, blockchain, telecom, everything is connected. So my project was on application of blockchain technology in vehicle registration. So my project was to migrate or give a conceptual understanding of how will we migrate this centralized database onto a blockchain platform. If you are from a finance background, you need to have the technical knowledge of this finance and technology combined together, because that is the only way ahead for finance. And the best part of this program was I could take it up without taking any career break. I could pursue it while working also, as the classes were predominantly on the weekends.